Hi there, this is Miss Nowakowski and I'm coming to you from the Math Studio at Grauer Elementary in the Richmond School District. Today's math project is an origami penguin. So here's a little example. And again, you can use different sizes of paper. The paper just needs to be square to start off with. So you could just use some regular paper or paper from your recycling, or if you have origami paper at home, that works really well for this project if you have paper that is two-sided. Here's one that is blank colors, and then here's some origami paper that has a pattern on one side and then just a plain color on the other side. The only other things you will need is a ruler or something like a paper creaser to make sure that your folds are really nice and flat. All right, and I'm going to show you how to make this cute little penguin. So I'm going to show you how to fold an origami penguin. Start with your square of paper. Again, it can be any size. And we're just going to rotate or turn it so we have a corner up at the top here. We're going to fold it in half. So our line of symmetry goes across the diagonal here and we form two triangles. So I'm going to fold it across this way. There we have our line of symmetry. You can see that we've got two triangles. Okay. So I'm right-handed, so I like to work with my fold on the left side here. So now we're going to fold what will be the penguin's wings. Okay. And I'm just going to fold here. I'm going to go up to this corner here, just fold it over, not quite all the way to the center line. Okay. Then I'm going to press down here. I've got this special paper creaser that I'm going to use to crease over my folds to make sure they're nice and flat. You could also use a ruler to do that. Okay. Now I need to turn this over and fold this one exactly the same so that they're symmetrical. So I'm going to use this fold here to help guide me on my fold. So I line those up and then I press down with my fingers. Okay. That's not quite exact, and that's okay. Then I'm going to use this, and then I open it up. Okay? So I've got those two folds underneath, and I open it up, and now I'm going to fold the tail up. Okay? Bottom part of the penguin. And I'm just going to estimate, I'm going to go about that far, not quite near the end of the wings. See where the wings end here? So not quite at that. This is the bottom of the penguin. And this will be so it can stand up. But I make sure I keep my fold lines lined up there. Okay. And then I go to the top and I'm going to fold down a triangle the other way, so towards the front. And that's going to be the beak. So again, just sort of estimate. That's about the size of my triangle there. Okay, so estimate that. Now I'm going to fold it back in half, okay, along this center fold line. Now, can you see that penguin coming out there? Okay. Not quite done though yet because we need to move that beak open. Okay. So I'm just going to take that beak and pop it out a little bit and then squish that part with my fingers. Okay. So I can do that. And you could have the beak facing down a little bit more. It's up to you. If you want, you can add an eye to your penguin, and now your penguin will stand up. So that's a simple origami penguin. And when you have the two-sided paper, you have the belly showing in a different color and then the back and the wings showing in a different color. Here's another penguin I made just using white paper. So I folded it and then I used paint afterwards to paint the black on and added a little bit color for the beak and added an eye.